Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canva to Zapier for LinkedIn carousel autoposting. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to canva.com. Log in to your Canva account. Create a new design using the carousel post template. Add your desired images, text, and design elements to the slides. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the download button. Select the appropriate file format, typically PDF for LinkedIn carousels. Download the design to your computer or device. Next, open another tab in your browser and go to zapier.com. Log into your Zapier account or create one if you do not have an existing account. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. For the first step, search for Schedule and select it. Choose the trigger for your Zap, such as every day or every week, based on your posting frequency. Set the specific time you want the carousel post to go live. Now, add a new action step by clicking on Add a Step. Search for Canva and select it as the app for this step. Choose the Create Image Action event. Connect your Canva account by following the authentication prompts. Select the template you created earlier or input the design details. Map any necessary fields to ensure the correct information gets pulled in. Add another action step by clicking Add a Step again. Search for LinkedIn and choose it as the app for this step. Select Create Share Update as the action event. Connect your LinkedIn account by following the authentication steps. Fill in the fields for the post, including text and image attachment from Canva. Make sure to select the file path for the carousel images you wish to upload. Review your Zap to confirm all connections and settings are correct. Test your Zap to ensure it operates as expected. Once the test is successful, turn on your Zap. Your Canva designs will now autopost to LinkedIn as a carousel at your set schedule. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.